Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemistry JRF Net. Since the exam is very near, I thought of solving problems. So first of all, the packing efficiency of a simple cubic lattice is close to. For the packing fraction, the equation to find packing fraction is volume of atoms in a unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So in case of simple cubic, after solving this we get the fraction pi by 6 and 52%. In BCC, pi root 3 by 8 and 68%. In HCP or FCC, pi root 2 by 6 and 74%. In diamond, pi root 3 by 16 and 34%. So from here, in case of simple cubic, 0.52. If we multiplied by 100, 52%. Next question. The interplanar distance for a 100 plane in a cubic structure with the lattice parameter of 4 angstrom is. To find the interplanar distance, the equation is D is equal to A by root h square plus k square plus L square. By solving, they are given lattice parameters A equal to 4 angstrom, substituting, and 100 plane. So D100 equal to 4 by root 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square equal to 4 by root 1 equal to 4. Along with this, I am sharing the important points also. The general equation to find the interplanar spacing is 1 by d square hkl equal to h square by a square plus k square by b square plus L square by c square. In case of orthorhombic system, all the lattice parameters are not equal, so we can use this formula. But when the system changes, in tetragonal system, A is equal to B, not equal to C. So our equation is 1 by d square hkl equal to h square plus k square by a square plus L square by c square. In cubic system, A is equal to B equal to C. That is, all lattice parameters are equal. So DHK equal to A by root h square plus k square plus L square, which we have used here. And also another relation, that is, if DHKL is given and asked to find out DNH NKNL. So we can find by the equation DNH NKNL equal to DHKL by N. And also from Bragg's law, we have DHKL equal to n lambda by 2 sin theta. These are the equation to find the interplanar distance. Next question. The value of D11 in a cubic crystal is 325.6 picometer. The value of D33 is. Recently we have find an equation DNH NKNL equal to DHKL by N. Here D11 is given, that is DHKL 111, and it is they are asked exact multiple of 3, D33. So where N is 3, so by substituting 325.6 divided by 3, 1.5 picometer. Next question. How many atoms are there in an element packed in an FCC structure? These things are basic things which we have already studied. That is, number of atoms. Number of atoms in case of simple cubic is 1. In BCC it is 2. In FCC it is 4. That is, from in simple cubic there are the lattice point are present at the corner. So there are 8 corner, and into one corner is the contribution of 8 cube. So 1 by 8 contribution equal to 1. In case of BCC, lattice point present at the body center and also the corner. So body center into contribution 1 plus 8 corners into 1 by 8 contribution, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And in case of FCC, corner 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 faces into 1 by 2 contribution equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Next question. The angle at which the first order Bragg reflection is observed from 110 plane in a simple cubic unit cell of side 3.238 angstrom, when chromium K alpha radiation of wavelength 2.29 angstrom is used is. So here what are the things given? Edge length A is given. A is equal to 3.238 angstrom. And lambda is also given 2.29 angstrom. And we have to find theta. Our equation to find theta is n lambda is equal to 2d sine theta. N is given first order reflection. So n is equal to 1. Lambda is also given. And from here d equal to n lambda by 2 sine theta. But d is not given, so d has to find from the equation. D110 equal to a by root h square plus k square plus l square. A is given, and substituting the Miller indices, 3.238 angstrom divided by 1 square plus 1 square and 0 square, so root 2. By solving we get 2.289 angstrom, and from here we get d. So substituting here, and n is equal to 1 into 2.29 angstrom, lambda given 2 sine theta, and rearranging sine theta equal to 2.29 angstrom divided by 2 into 2.289, so approximately equal, cancelling, and theta equal to sine inverse 1 by 2 equal to 30. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give support by subscribing and press the bell icon for further notification.